Yep, favorite time of the day.
We're at Braise. We're with Chef Dave. How are you?
Thanks. I did
I'm
pretty
well.
good, didn't I?
You did great. Yeah.
You did.
I'm standing upright, which always is a good sign.
I hardly did much. I squeezed some limes is what I did. And did some stirring.
But how good does it taste?
Tastes delicious. And it wouldn't be difficult at home. Which is the key.
Yeah. You want to take those, just make things a little more symptomatic so people can accomplish it at home without too much muss and fuss.
Right.
Yeah.
Is this the same recipe you would serve at Braise?
Yeah, it's the exact same recipe.
And you do
just,
not,
just a grinder scale. That's it. Yeah.
you don't mind giving away your recipes?
No, not at all. Not at all. So it's one of those things where I don't want somebody to go home and have it and be like, oh, it's missing something because we took out a step or a secret ingredient. You want them to have the same thing because that's what's going to build confidence.
Sure.
When they have something they can't replicate at home, then they'll be like, oh, well, let's go out and go have it.
Right.
I can't make it. But maybe teach them the right way of doing it.
Rather than them thinking they did something wrong.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. It instills some confidence.
It's nice.
Yeah.
That is kind. Well, it looks great.
Thank you. Okay.
That's
Thank
lunchtime
you.
too, so yeah.